Rushmore has pledged to crack down on the sporadic disruption to CTOS services. The mayor directly accused the hacker activist group DedSec for wreaking havoc on Chicago citizens. The mayor has promised to bring the group leaders to justice.
Quinn's auction. Rack's somewhere inside. Security's gonna be tight, and it won't be long before someone reports my mess at the car dealers. Just find a Rack, scan his dog tags, make a clean getaway. Sounds easy enough. Something tells me it's not gonna go down that way.
Sorry, Mr. Crispin. We need your weapon.
Wouldn't want to be rude. Not a scratch.
Mr. Quinn said you like to see the raw merchandise.
I'd like to know what I'm paying for. I asked for my merchandise to be delivered here. Where can I find Poppy?
Mr. Quinn got your request. Don't worry. She's here. I have to tell you Mr. Quinn's rules, though. All payments must be made in cash or through a secured account. If you want to sample any of the girls before they're open to bidding, you gotta pay a small fee. Premium girls are off limits. Don't want to lower the value if you get me.
Yeah, I get you.
Make sure it's a quiet night or we aren't gonna be able to keep the other boys from shutting you down.
Our clients are low-key.
Yeah, wire the payment already. Being this close to gangbangers gives me a rash.
Never mind. Boss will be done with them soon enough.
Hey, I'll tell you something. No fucking way I'm going down for any of this shit if it ever gets leaked. So there better not be any fuck-ups tonight.
Next item on the list is from Eastern
This is Mr. Crispin. We're taking him to meet Mr. Quinn. They won't bring all the merchandise on stage at once. Some are scheduled for private show. Each one of them has been tagged with a number. It keeps things efficient. A few guests prefer to watch their monologue. I was told you want to see the stage.
Well, how else can I get a full appreciation of what you guys do?
Step aside. Mr. Quinn's waiting. Mr. Quinn is up there with Iraq.
Radio chatter's quiet so far. Keep an eye out in case.
Final call on this bid. Final call.
Yo, just got word from the boss. Some of Quinn's guys got popped.
Moving
Something
on to
ain't
the
right.
next item on the
Everything's in
Double
order.
check all IDs on everybody that comes in. Triple check if you have to.
Bidding has opened.
Do another pass.
We have an opening bid. Bids are still open.
All due respect, it's your man gonna miss
Bidding
it.
has opened.
Shit all risk now. Extra security ain't enough. We should have canceled.
The risk
Another bid
is
received.
allowing yourself to be seen as weak.
Bid was
Relax.
raised.
Do what you have to do. Don't make a circus
Bids
of it.
are still open.
My men are stretched.
Open to raise.
Your men are expendable, Mr. Rank.
Any other bids?
Business
gentlemen?
must proceed. Meantime,
Final
find out
call
who
on
killed
this
my
bid.
men.
Final
That's all.
call. Sold.
Mr. Crispin,
Moving on to the next item on your tablet.
would you excuse me?
Of course.
Our honored guest has arrived.
Mr. Quinn, unfortunately I can't stay.
Enjoying our little pageant?
Final call on this bid.
Oh, which one? The one down there up here?
Oh,
Final call.
my associate, Mr. Rank. He's a loyal soldier. But he is young.
Moving on to the next item.
What do
on
you
your
see when
tablet.
you look down there?
Well, I see.
Bidding has opened.
Someone flexing his power.
We have an opening bid.
Mr. Rank sees it as an auction. He sees rewards.
Any other bids?
Experience has taught me not to be manipulated,
Final call on this bid.
not to back down.
Final call.
I
Sold.
don't detect an accent, Mr. Crispin.
Moving on to the next item on your tablet. Bidding has
Life has taught
opened.
me a great many things to get me where I
We
am.
have an opening bid.
And luck had nothing to do with any of
Still
it.
open. Another bid received. Bid was raised.
Mr. Crispin,
Final call on this bid.
they don't trust you.
I know, we're leaving.
Final call.
Come here.
Sold.
Closer. The tattoo.
On to the next item.
It's a tracking device beneath the skin. It's also very efficient for business.
I can scramble its signal.
Bidding has opened.
That's it?
Yeah.
We have an opening bid. Next items are being offered.
I overheard them talking about Crispin.
Multiple items.
They know something is wrong. You need to get out of here now. Through the basement.
Come with me. Okay. I'll send help.
Any other bids? Open for bidding. Bidding has opened. We have an opening bid. Open to raise. Bid was
Watch your
raised.
back.
Final call on this bid. Final call.
I'll try the back.
Moving on to the next item.
I'd rather want Mr. Crispin's family, not let him leave the auction. You see him? You grab him.
Eyes open, man. Stay awake just in case, bro.
Watch your back, fella. Watch your back. Keep alert, man. Stay on your guard, cuz.
Yo, don't let your guard down.
I better restock my weapons. Everyone's out to kill me now.
watch your back.
Shit.
Wait.
Better not be another dead body.
Fuck! I hope that ain't what I...
We got a trespasser.
One of these bullets is gonna find you, motherfucker!
Man, this shit ain't supposed to go down this way.
Hasn't lost the fight yet, pussy.
I put a slug in that motherfucker. Get your ass behind something. It's some bullshit. It ain't supposed to go down like this. Fuck! I'm gonna jam that gun up your ass. This can't be happening.
Time to fuck this guy up. Stay up, Doc.
Yo, don't let your guard down.
He can't hide. He's on me. Whoa, watch out, man.
Where'd the fuck he go?
Hey, look out, dude. He's hiding, you find him. Look out, please. Find him.
Motherfucker letting us have it.
You feel it? You gonna die tonight.
This ain't working, so I need some help! I hear you, dude!
Fucking out,
911. Please state your emergency.
There's a big shootout going on at the Barrows and Brandon Docks.
All units, we have a report of shots fired at the Barrows and Brandon Docks. Please respond.
Good. Cops will find those girls and get them someplace safe. As for those bidders, any slip past the bus, they'll end up on my plate eventually. I'll keep an eye out for these guys and run them through the profiler.
Watch where you're going.
Then I can expose them for what they've done here and shut down this ring.